turn $1,000 into $50,000 in under 6 months. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that. But not only that, I'm gonna show you a live recording of how I do it every single day in under 45 minutes daily trading options, and how you guys can replicate the exact same thing. This recording is a recording of our live session that happens every single day in our mentorship group. But I wanna show you guys exactly what the game plan was before the market opened, how we executed on that, and how you can replicate the exact same thing to turn your 1,000 into 50,000 in under 6 months. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, before I do that, if you guys like these series of these live videos and live trading that I show you guys, get this video to 200 likes and I will take one of you guys, mentor you, and showcase the entire process live on YouTube so everyone can see it. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First one on the list we got is Walmart. Let me go ahead and pull up Walmart. So Walmart, you can see dropped off here, a big H, losing prior day low, volume spiking. Looking for some more downside continuation. We have some support here at 90.15, and you can see it's kind of being held up here. If we lose this 90 level, we could see a drop back down to the 88.90. Not the best quality setup, because you do have a little bit of a pivot at 89.50 as well. So I mean, if we take this 90 break, you're going to be at a place where you have a potential to make about, 0.5% on a Monday, given how volatile the market has been with the IVs. I don't know if this is going to pay, really. So we can keep it on a watch and see how it pans out. If everything sets up on it, and approach it then. But for now, 190 level is the level we got to pay attention to. Walmart is trying to set up another H there as well. That one is struggling. Let me take Microsoft off. We'll put Walmart up here. Because if Walmart loses 88.70, it's in trouble too. But at least we know Walmart has liquidity. So if Walmart loses this 88.70, it opens up pretty aggressively. On the daily, there's a lot of pockets to the downside. We'll have to wait for a candle close under 88.70 here. So if we get 88.70 candle close, volume spike, that should sell it off a little bit more here. Tesla right back down to 45.45. $48.49 is about a minute on this candle here. All right, looks pretty good. Let's see. XYZ, let's see here. If this rejects back down to low a day, you got about a 0.6% move. We're going to try this XYZ rejection here as well. Volume spiking a little bit. First, we got to go under 57.29. So failed to reclaim view up, and then rejected. Volume spiking a little bit on this hammer as well. All right, so Walmart H still working out. Probably needs to drop a little bit more towards 88.20. See what CLH is doing. So on CLH, you want to see a hammer of some sort of view off there. Walmart looking good. Nice strong sell off. That daily is in a lot of trouble there on Walmart. Beautiful drop. Beautiful move. Let's go. Who's in this Walmart? Is your 20%? Good job, Echo. Well done on Walmart. There goes Reddit rolling over some more. Jeez. Causing a lot of this problems here on the market here, Apple. Microsoft also breaking low here. If Google turns around and breaks another low, you got a lot of tech names collapsing here. Good job, Basil. Well done. Trying to see if we get this another low here on Walmart. I'm gonna build patience on my winning trades. XYZ needs to get under
the low here for more downside, but it's holding up pretty good considering how some of the other names are yanking a little bit. All right, we'll see if Apple finally gives us a bounce here at the 229. Otherwise, it's gonna shit the bed. Q's holding some support here. Nice little H on Walmart. Beautiful drop. Cutting Walmart here. Don't want to turn this into a hammer, so we'll leave this. Pretty good catch. Hoping this candle closes weak. Almost like a 3-bar play, but if it's going to wick out like this, I don't want to be sitting in a pullback. Good job, Max. Well done. Nice and slow. Good patience out of the gates here today. Waiting for a decent setup. Here's XYZ trying. XYZ is under a lot of pressure intraday, but needs to get under 57.19 to really start dropping off. The volume is starting to spike here. Just gets a candle close under 57.19. That would be good. Ideal. There it is. Come on. Close it up. Close it. Beautiful. XYZ. Let's go. Let's go. Anybody in XYZ? Put your orders out of the ask. This is something you'll get filled as people chase these puts, guys. In a lot earlier. Can maximize on these people chasing here. Nice sell volume to the downside. See if the market can continue. Walmart's still chilling too as well. It's consolidating nicely. Tesla off a cliff as well. Next Tesla support is 238, guys. Did anybody catch XYZ to the downside? That was a good catch. Look at the sell volume. Just spiked significantly. On the options flow side, I'm not seeing much exciting things coming in. Spine Qs both making lower lows here now. We'll see if they can. Gotta wait for a higher low to set in for a trend to change. But for now, it's still dropping. See what Waxy was up to. I got stopped out in profit there on XYZ. Had the stops at 20% profit. All right, another low here on Walmart. This breaks down. You still need the candle close here, but looks like it's going to make its way lower. 87.30 is next on Walmart. Beautiful catch if anyone caught that with us. Just keeps collapsing. Let's go. So what, we waited like almost 20 minutes before initiating a trade. Sometimes that's it, man. Gotta be patient. CLH trying to flag there. Got a 2-minute pennant for me. Oh my goodness, Walmart. I tried to be patient and I sold early. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to hold these winners a little bit longer.
As you guys saw, I spend less than 45 minutes a day trading options every single day, and I'm able to make 30 to 50,000 per month every single month. My mentorship students do the exact same thing. They generate anywhere from 7 to 20,000 per month trading only 1 hour a day. And that's simply because I hold their hand one-on-one and teach them how to do it. If you want to be someone that wants to generate this type of income, click the link down below, see if you qualify to work with me one-on-one, And if you do, great, I'll reach out. And if you don't want to and you're not ready to have our mentorship and you just want more free content, that's no problem at all. You can watch this video right here and I'll explain to you some more training so you can become a better trader.